I'm Natsumi with fitYOGAfit. Let's begin. Sit up nice and tall. Inhale, lengthen. Exhale, drop your head to your right. Try to feel a stretch on your left. And slowly drop your head in the front. Now try to feel the stretch on the back of your neck. And slowly shift into your left. Stretching the right side. And all the way back. Now reverse to the left. Front. And to the right. And all the way back and center. Inhale, arms up. Exhale, open to your right. Inhale up. As you exhale, open your chest to your left. Let's repeat this exercise. Inhale. And exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Oxygenate your body. Inhale. Exhale. One more inhale. And exhale. Back to center. Okay, now take tabletop pose. On your floor, palm heel underneath your shoulder and knee open about your hip distance. Tuck your toes. And let's do cat and cow pose. Inhale, lengthen your spine, look up. Exhale, tuck your chin, look toward the navel. Inhale, up, lengthen spine, tailbone up. Exhale, tuck your tailbone in. Inhale, drop your belly, arch your back. Exhale, press your palm, thrust your belly to the spine. Inhale. And exhale, shoulder blades high up. Inhale, look up. Exhale. One more inhale. As you exhale back to neutral center. That's very good. Here, stretch your arms forward and sit on your heels. Let's do extended cat pose. Just stay there. Inhale. As you exhale, press your shoulders down. Inhale a little bit forward, lengthen your spine. Exhale, press your chest down. Inhale, tailbone up and fingertips reaching front. And exhale, drop your shoulders and chest down to the mat. Inhale. And exhale. Okay, now back to center, neutral. Now let's take very fast downward facing dog, Adho Mukha Svanasana there. Feel free to paddle your feet to stretch your calf. One heel up and other heel down. Okay, now feel free to sway your head to the side gently. Now here we'll do the up, add up. Hip swinging to the side. And maybe circle your hips. And do whatever necessary for you this morning. And here, inhale, exhale. Let's take 5 deep breaths on the Adho Mukha Svanasana. Inhale. And exhale. Inhale, exhale. And inhale. Exhale for 3. Inhale. Exhale for 4. Inhale. Exhale for 5. Now walk your hands to your feet. And bend your knee, hug your elbows. Relax your neck, relax your head. Gently sway your head to the side. Stretch your lower back. And release hand, each vertebra, roll up. And shoulder roll back and down. Okay, now let's come to the top of the mat. And let's do sun salutation. Inhale, arms up. Exhale, hinge on your hips forward. Inhale, halfway up. Exhale, bend your knee, plant your hand, step back to plank pose. Inhale, deep. Exhale, slowly down to Chaturanga Dandasana. Inhale, upper facing shoulder away from ears. 10 toes pressing down. Exhale, downward facing dog. From here, inhale, right leg swinging up. And exhale, step in between. Back heel up, square hips, hands on your hips. Inhale and exhale, sinking your hips down. Inhale, exhale, sinking your hips down. Inhale, exhale, and paddle your hands, step back. Inhale, exhale, Chaturanga Dandasana. Exhale, upper facing. Exhale, downward facing dog. Now inhale, left leg up. And step between. Back heel up, square hips. Hands on your hips. Inhale. Exhale, go deeper. Inhale. Exhale, sinking your hips down. Inhale. Exhale, stretch down. And paddle your hands, step back. Inhale, exhale, Chaturanga. Inhale, upper facing dog. Exhale, downward facing dog. And here, let's take 5 deep breaths. Inhale, exhale, forward. Exhale for 2, 10 toes, 10 fingers spread wide and press down. Inhale, exhale for 3. Tailbone high up to the ceiling. Chest close to your thighs. Inhale, exhale for 4. Heels planting down. Inhale, exhale for 5. Shoulders away from ear. Inhale on your toes, bend your knee and step front. Inhale halfway, Adha Uttanasana. Exhale Uttanasana. Inhale all the way up. Exhale, has heart center to Samasthiti. And for more like this, check out this next video. See you soon!